Hello, everyone. Welcome back. And today we have a delicious and healthy treat in store for you. We're going to make a sugar-free carrot cake that's not only good for you but also incredibly tasty. So, let's jump right into it. Let's start with the ingredients. For this sugar-free carrot cake, you'll need 2 cups grated carrots, 1 cup almond flour, 1/2 cup coconut flour, 1/2 cup unsweetened apple sauce, 1/4 cup coconut oil, melted, 4 large eggs, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon baking soda, 1/2 teaspoon cinnamon, a pinch of salt. Optional, chopped nuts or shredded coconut for added texture. Now, let's get started with the preparation. 1. In a large bowl, combine the grated carrots, almond flour, coconut flour, baking powder, baking soda, cinnamon, and a pinch of salt. Mix well. 2. In another bowl, whisk together the eggs, melted coconut oil, unsweetened apple sauce, and vanilla extract. 3. Gradually add the wet ingredients to the dry ingredients, mixing until well combined. 4. If you like, fold in some chopped nuts or shredded coconut for that extra crunch. 5. Pour the batter into a greased cake pan, spreading it evenly. 6. Bake in a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius, for about 30-35 minutes. Or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Now, let's talk about the icing. We're going to keep it sugar-free and delicious. For the icing, you'll need 1 cup Greek yogurt, 1 tablespoon honey or a sugar-free sweetener of your choice, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. Simply mix these ingredients together until smooth and creamy. Once your sugar-free carrot cake has cooled, spread the icing evenly on top. You can also garnish with additional grated carrots or a sprinkle of cinnamon for that finishing touch. And there you have it, a moist and flavorful sugar-free carrot cake that's perfect for any occasion. Let's give it a try. That's amazing. You won't even miss the sugar. It's a guilt-free indulgence that you can enjoy anytime. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you liked this recipe, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more healthy recipes, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a video. If you try this recipe, let me know in the comments how it turns out for you. Until next time, happy baking!